What's the meaning of advancement? Advancement. 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 Advancement refers to the process of making progress or moving forward in a particular field or area. It can refer to advancements in technology, medicine, science, or any other field where progress is made. The result of advancement is often improved efficiency, increased productivity, and better outcomes. For example, technological advancements have led to the development of faster, more efficient machines and devices that have revolutionized the way we live and work. Similarly, medical advancements have led to new treatments and cures for diseases, improving the overall health and well-being of individuals and society as a whole.